How do we create liability laws for AI systems? Have you ever wondered how we can hold artificial intelligence systems accountable when things go wrong? This is a pressing question as AI technology continues to evolve and integrate into our daily lives. Creating liability laws for AI systems is not straightforward, but it is essential for ensuring safety and accountability. First, we need to understand the limitations of traditional liability rules. Typically, these rules requiring victims to prove that someone acted wrongfully and caused harm. However, AI systems often operate independently and make decisions that are not always clear. This makes it hard for victims to identify who is responsible when harm occurs. Next, we can introduce new liability frameworks specifically designed for AI. These frameworks might include strict or no-fault liability. This means that manufacturers, developers, or deployers could be held responsible for harm caused by their AI systems, regardless of whether they acted negligently. This shift places the responsibility on those who create or control AI systems to ensure they are safe. Another important step is to establish a presumption of causality. This means that if harm occurs and can be linked to an AI system's actions, it is assumed that the defendant's negligence played a role unless they can prove otherwise. This is particularly relevant for high-risk AI systems that must meet specific regulatory standards. Access to evidence is also crucial. Since AI systems can be complex, claimants should have the right to obtain relevant information, such as design documents and operational logs. This transparency can help victims prove their case and establish liability. We also need to adapt liability across different legal theories. For instance, if an AI system is deemed a defective product, creators can be held liable under product liability laws. If they fail to exercise reasonable care during the design or deployment phases, negligence laws may apply. In some situations, strict liability could hold creators responsible regardless of their intent. Addressing the challenges related to mental states is another consideration. Many liability theories requiring proof of the defendant's mental state, such as intent or negligence. Since AI systems do not possess mental states, laws may need to create presumptions that treat AI actions as if a human had the relevant mental state. This allows for the establishment of liability. Liability laws should complement existing AI regulations that set safety and transparency standards. If developers do not comply with these standards, it can lead to presumptions of liability. This encourages adherence to regulations and promotes safer AI deployment. Finally, encouraging risk management and insurance is vital. Liability frameworks can motivate AI developers and deployers to invest in safety measures and obtain liability insurance. This helps distribute financial risks and promotes safer AI practices. In practical terms, the European Union's Artificial Intelligence Liability Directive is a great example. It introduces uniform rules to enhance legal certainty and consumer protection for AI-related harm. Similarly, some states in the United States are proposing legislation that holds AI developers strictly liable for damages caused by their systems. Creating liability laws for AI systems requires a thoughtful approach. By adapting existing legal concepts, introducing new rights, and aligning liability with AI regulations, we can balance accountability with the need to support innovation and consumer trust in AI technologies.